This lid hides a whole region's warmth.
Kwangnam mornings taste like smoke and rice.
We'll cook in a pot born right here.
Clay remembers every touch.
A tight seal means deeper flavor.
Even walls, even heat.
Before fire, patience.
Time is the first ingredient. Now the clay becomes a cooking tool.
He gives it a voice.
From earth to table.
It's warm even before the fire.
Next stop, the market.
Kwangnam flavors start right here.
Small thing, big hit.
Pepper wakes up the pot. Today's star, cá nục. Keep it simple, keep it Quang
This is the coastline in a bottle.
Rice first. Always.
Back to the kitchen where clay shines.
A humble stove. Legendary results.
Rinse until it runs clean.
Clay will do the rest.
Low fire, big comfort.
Hear that? The pot is working.
Aromatics, fast and fine.
This caramel is the color of home.
In goes the sea, quietly.
Pepper and heat. Kwangnam attitude.
Let it whisper, not shout.
Flavor tightens with time.
This is how the crust is born.
Something sharp to balance the deep. Green on top, like a final note.
That smell, roasted rice and earth.
Two pots. One story. Savory, peppery, and deeply calm.
In Gwangnam, clay turns food into memory. After the first bite, we chase the next.
This pot travels like a precious gift. Gwangnam cooking is gentle but exact. A few basics, endless outcomes.
The clay. Treat it kindly. It's like cooking inside a memory.
Fire is adjusted by feel, not numbers. The stage is set.
Don't waste the crust. Celebrate it.
It snaps like thin pottery, then melts.
Quest 1. Clay, rice, and the sea. Now, a clay pot dish locals crave at dusk.
Clay arrives still singing.
That first breath is the whole point.
They trust clay.
Clay because it's steady.
Heat stays trapped in the clay.
Savory first, then pepper.
Hoi an turns soft at dusk.
Next, the clay pot sweetest trick. Even dessert can be a clay pot story. Coconut turns everything silky. Just a whisper of heat.
Clay keeps it warm longer.
Sweet, but grounded.
Clay pot day ends with river light. Morning again. New flavors.
We're chasing a breakfast pot.
Clay holds heat like a promise.
That slow bubble means steady warmth.
Hands make the magic here.
Every meal begin in the kiln.
Dài, đi dàn công đông vậy. You can hear if it's ready.
Gwangnam flavors travel by river.
Air keeps clay honest. Sun finishes what water starts.
Same basics, new direction.
Clay loves calm fire.
Breakfast here starts with a clay pot simmer.
This steam smells like Quang Nam.
Turmeric paints the whole bowl.
Low bubbles, steady flavor.
Crunch is part of the recipe.
Fresh greens keep it bright.
Golden, but not heavy.
Every bowl is built, not dumped.
Not a soup, more like a glaze. Green, gold, and a little fire.
Nutty, peppery, then turmeric warmth.
Clay pots feed mornings, one bowl at a time.
Next, a sweet pot by the river.
Bắp Cẩm Nam ơi, bắp ngọt lắm. Cẩm Nam is famous for corn sweetness.
Each kernel is a tiny sugar bead. Clay makes sweetness unfold slowly.
Just a quiet simmer, nothing rushed.
Stir until it turns silky.
One swirl and it becomes a dessert. Watch it tighten like velvet. Coconut makes it feel like a hug.
Slow drip, perfect thickness.
Sweetness tastes better near water.
Corny, creamy, and gently roasted.
Clay keeps working while you rest.
Quest 2. Corn, coconut, and clay. A clean pot keeps flavors pure. Eggplant loves a slow simmer.
Start with sweetness from shallots. They drink flavor like a sponge.
Salty, sweet, pepper. Done.
Let it whisper until it turns tender.
That shine means it's ready.
Fresh pepper, always the last word.
Same pot, different comfort.
Soft, savory, and pepper wakes it up.
Clay turns simple food into an event.
Earth to fire to flavor, again and again.
We're not done. Clay has more secrets.
Tonight, we cook right by the river.
Warm clay first, always.
Same bass, new melody.
That first sizzle is pure promise.
Tomato turns smoke heat into sweetness.
No rushing, just control.
Pepper is the punctuation.
Fast food, cook slowly, cook slowly.
Smoky, tangy, then pepper warm. Clay pot food is a social thing here.
The river cools the air, the pot keeps heat.
Back where the pots are born.
Every rim is made to seal in aroma.
One last time, our main duo, perfected.
This is the finish line. Crust without burn, just toast.
Two pots. Maximum comfort.
Smoky rice.
The maker tastes what their clay became.
Earth, fire, and food. One circle.
When the fire rests, the flavor stays.
Three wonders, one humble pot.
Lửa nhỏ, nắp chặt, tay kiên nhẫn.
Borrowed from the village, returned with thanks. Hoya nights feel warmer in clay.
Even light looks softer on clay. Clay doesn't rush, neither should we.